Here is the typical workflow when you want to create a report and also publish to the web. You begin with getting the data, which means you connect your Power BI to your data sources, for example, CSV file, Excel file, or even a database. Usually, when you have data, it's still in a raw format. It is not suitable or not good enough to make an effective report. So you have to do some transformation to make it into a desired format. Then once finished transforming your data, you can use it to visualize, for example, building charts or map. And also you will edit mobile layout. The reason being is if you want to access your report from your mobile phone, you better edit the layout so that it will be easily to read. Otherwise, it's going to be a very tiny and very hard to read. Once you finish editing in your Power BI desktop, you will publish to the web, and from there you can utilize the web functionalities, which we will touch upon in the next videos.